Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we will show you how to make your desktop look better and cleaner for free. So let's start. As you can see, our desktop is not in the best condition. We have files all over the screen. Everything is messy and not really appealing. Let's begin with fixing that problem. First, right-click anywhere on the desktop, then go to View and turn off Show Desktop Icons. As you can see, it already looks better. Now let's start with the next step. Now let's make our taskbar transparent. First, we need to go to the Microsoft Store. Then you are going to search for Translucent TB. This app uses a few megabytes of RAM and almost no CPU, and it's free. The only thing that is left is to choose our wallpaper. We want you to go to the Microsoft Store again and then search for the LiveWallpaper. This app is free and open source software that allows users to set animated and interactive desktop wallpapers. And now you just need to choose what you like the most. We will choose this one, for example. This is how our desktop looks after we implemented all of our steps. Thank you guys for watching. We hope this helped you, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!